Hello, welcome to lesson number 11 of Streamlit Automation Dashboard Building with Python for stock price prediction. Last lesson we stopped after save today prices, and there is method for the fetch data file, and as we checked the development roadmap, that we are going to backfill daily prices file. So let's finish today the fetch data file and cover what needs to be in a main function. And next video we will get to the new file in scripts folder. We will create one and we will start coding it. So last method of this date historical data and our OneNote comment update historical data for all stocks. Stocks will be self-load stocks, loading the list of stocks from previous created method. Again, if not stocks, return nothing. Now we will announce logger info, something to display, starting story date, and again for the enumerate stocks one logger info string processing symbol the just E of line of stock. So again, as in previous lesson, with this one line we are shown in the console that we are processing currently one dedicated stock, and this stock is number 10, for example, within 100. Next, we are trying to fetch historical data. Df self fetch historical data. As for others, we are also giving FMP first shot. It's totally fine that if you want to proceed with Tingo instead. If such sort of thing, here we will add logger info the string. Actually, we don't need that. Historical data field for FMP trying Tingo, and let's add here space to have this more clear. Okay. Now, if grep and it's not empty. CSV. File will be as path join self historical string symbol story CSV. So with this line we are creating we're updating the CSV files, and as we previously created them with symbols as a part of their name, so we are updating them accordingly. And once part we are using the df CSV and logger info saved historical data and the f string goes here. And else logger error failed to save data from sources. Symbol and goes symbol and one f string here. Okay. And again we are adding a limit not to hit anything within the limits time slip 0. Okay, so what we loaded the stocks, checked, validated stocks to exist and not to be empty, and then we went through each of the symbols or elements in stock list and started to fetching historical data from FMP first, if not from FMP, trying Tingo, and if there is data from any of those sources, we are updating the historical CSV file with our new data frame and showing in a console. And if there is no data in any of two sources, we are just displaying that we failed on this. Now, main function for data fetching. We have here fetcher, data fetcher. Here. We are calling first update historical data, then we are calling today's prices for evolution, saving those files for evaluation, and then throwing the message data fetch complete, fetched successful. And at the end, typical for Python, if name equals main, then main. So this covers everything in fetch data file. We are done with it. Next, as I told you, we're going to cover another file in scripts folder, historical data. Thank you for your time. Hope you were successful in coding all this, and see you at next lesson. Bye-bye.